grille. That's something new. Just look at this sign when it merges. It's like, wow, millimeter precision. Black Bess. That's pretty insane. Veyron Vitesse. Black Bess. Golden logo. W60. Pretty spectacular if you tell me. But I wonder, I mean, how does these guys go between the places when you have drinks with nice girls and then you said, no, I take water and I drive my Vitesse. But I guess that makes you able to stay sharp and pick up the women. Incredible. Like tinted side window, but not front. Look at the artwork there. Crazy. Wow. Was it even gold here? I don't know. It's too much. But I rather have the Veyron Super Sport actually. But still pretty nice.